Ever wondered how data from websites is collected automatically? Let's dive into the fascinating world of web scraping. Essentially, web scraping is the process through which data is extracted from websites. Imagine a digital robot that goes from page to page, copying and recording information just as a human might do manually. This technique is particularly useful because it collects data from web pages and organizes it into a structured format, making it easier to analyze and utilize. Now, you might be curious about how this is actually done. Well, the magic happens through various tools and programming languages, with Python being one of the most popular. Within Python, libraries such as Beautiful Soup and Scrapy are commonly used. These tools serve as the backbone of web scraping by simplifying the process of automatically accessing web pages, extracting the required information, and transforming it into a more usable form. So essentially, web scraping automates the collection of data from the internet, making it a powerful tool for data analysis. Now that you know what web scraping is, how does it actually work? Imagine you want to gather the latest weather data from a meteorological website. Here's how you'd go about it. First, you send a request to the URL of the website. This is like knocking on someone's door and asking if you can come in. Once the request is sent, the server responds by sending back the HTML code of the web page. This HTML code is essentially the blueprint of the web page, detailing where everything sits and how it looks. Now, with the HTML code in hand, the next step is to parse this code. Think of it as finding the specific information you need in a large book. In this case, you're sifting through lines of HTML to find the weather data. After locating the data, the final step is to store it in a structured format, such as CSV or JSON. This is akin to jotting down notes in an organized manner so you can easily refer to them later. With these steps, you can start scraping data from virtually any website. You might be wondering, why scrape web data? What's it good for? Well, let's dive into the practical applications of web scraping to see just how versatile it can be. Imagine you're a business owner looking to stay competitive. By scraping web data, you can conduct thorough market research. This involves analyzing competitor prices to ensure your offerings are attractively priced. It's like having a bird's eye view of the entire market landscape, all from your computer. Furthermore, web scraping is invaluable for staying updated. Journalists and news agencies often use it to gather real-time data for breaking news and updates, ensuring they deliver timely and accurate information. In the academic sphere, researchers utilize web scraping to collect large data sets from the internet, which can be critical for studies and papers that require comprehensive data analysis. Lastly, think about job seekers automating their search. By scraping job listings from multiple websites, they can quickly find opportunities that match their skills, saving hours of manual searching. From business intelligence to personal projects, web scraping serves a multitude of purposes. Before you dive into web scraping, it's crucial to scrape responsibly. Web scraping, while powerful, comes with a responsibility to respect the digital environment. Start by thoroughly reading and adhering to the terms and conditions of any website you wish to scrape. These documents outline what is permissible, helping you avoid legal pitfalls. Another key aspect of responsible scraping is to avoid bombarding websites with too many requests. Overloading a site can slow down or crash services, which not only affects the website's functionality, but also its users. Moderation is crucial. Think of it as being a considerate digital citizen. Whenever possible, opt for using APIs. Many websites offer them as a means to access their data legally and efficiently. APIs are designed to handle large amounts of requests and are provided specifically for developers to use, making them a superior choice for both ethical and technical reasons. Lastly, ponder the ethical implications of your scraping. Are you using the data to aid or to harm? Is your project infringing on privacy or intellectual property rights? Always ensure your scraping activities are ethical and legal. Happy scraping!